This vehicle is going to be protecting the east end of Lakewood from Gold Coast down to Birdtown, and we'll have 4 firefighters assigned to it every day. And it will respond with a paramedic unit as well out of this station with 2 firefighter paramedics. Terry Scavone was a firefighter here at Station 3. He was the driver for a long time here. He actually lived next door and would walk to work every morning. He drove this company's vehicle for quite a long time and was a mentor to a lot of our younger firefighters, knew Lakewood like the back of his hand. And we wanted to memorialize him because he passed away from occupational cancer several years ago. And it was just a fitting tribute to have his name on the side of this rig where he would normally sit.